welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing an extreme clean with me. I have a very dirty apartment waiting to be cleaned deeply, you guys. And I'm probably going to be working the majority of the day on it. So, of course, I wanted to film it for you guys because I love watching a good extreme clean with me, and I know you guys do too. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so I am starting off in the living room area where of course I have to start by picking up Charlie Bits because he loves to tear apart every single one of his BarkBox toys. So we have fluff and bits and just fuzz all over our living room and bedroom usually. So that is always my first go-to. And then I'm just kind of picking a few things up out of the living room, like any plates or dishes, and just straightening up a few little things. Now it's time to vacuum our couch. Yes, we do have to vacuum our couch mostly because it is a light like cream tan color and we have a black dog and his black fuzz fur gets everywhere. So making sure that we vacuum pretty frequently is definitely a necessity for us. So I'm just going over our couch with this little fixture with our vacuum and just vacuuming all of our cushions and pillows. Now that the couch is all cleaned off, I'm just going to put the pillows back where they belong and put out our 2 throw blankets that we like to keep on the couch. Then it's time to move on to the vacuum. Obviously, I can't pick up every little bit and piece on our rug, so I'm just going over the rug to make sure to get every last little bit. And then I also do this on our wood floor since we do have a wood floor setting on our vacuum. And honestly, this saves so much time because then I don't have to sweep. Cleaning off our little coffee table right now with just some multi-purpose cleaner. This is just a temporary little table until we find our ideal little coffee table for the living room. I wanted to go ahead and clean this little windowsill off because I haven't touched it in quite some time and there's definitely some buildup of Charlie hair and just where people put drinks and food over here. So I wanted to just clean it off with, again, multi-purpose cleaner and then just put everything back where it belongs. Next is our media stand, just giving this a quick wipe down as well. It didn't really need much of anything since everything else was already cleaned off from it. Same goes for my desk space over here. I didn't have a lot of junk or anything laying around that I honestly wasn't using already. So I'm just giving it a wipe down because I do my makeup over here occasionally. So sometimes there's buildup of like hairspray, mascara, makeup. You know how it goes, ladies. Moving on over to our kitchen, it was time to clean off our island per usual. You guys know this is where we have most of our clutter because we just end up dropping our things here. This today was not very bad, but Clay has been studying for his professional engineering exam, so he has a bunch of his study stuff out, so I wanted to make sure to leave that out and just kind of organize it for him because this is where he's been doing most of his studying at. Now I'm moving on to our dishes. I wanted to go ahead and unload the dishwasher and then reload it because we did have a sink full of dishes, and you know what? That's just not pretty, and honestly it doesn't smell good. So of course we had to make that a priority. One little thing I really like to do in cleaning the kitchen is just run the hot water as hot as it will go and just rinse off everything in our sinks just to make sure there's no buildup or gross food leftovers or anything yucky. And then of course I'm moving on to our countertops, giving these a good wipe down, making sure there's no bits of food or things left over, and just making sure to wipe down anything that's also on top of the counters, such as like our knife block and of course the stove top and just anything that looks dusty. One of the things I really wanted to get done today was also clean out the microwave because this had been neglected for a while, and of course there's lots of yucky stuff in here. So I'm just going in with a multi-purpose cleaner, wiping everything off, and also taking out the tray that's inside of here, which in just a moment you guys will see. I'm going to go ahead and clean that off in the sink as well, just so our microwave is set back to normal and nice, fresh, and clean. Of course, I had to go around and pick up all of Charlie's toys and put those back in place because they are all over the apartment. If you have a dog, you will totally understand this. Then I'm taking the vacuum again and going over the wood floors in all of our kitchen and like extra spaces in the living room and just open area. Just going through and doing this real quick to pick up everything because I was not in the mood to sweep and mop. So we're just doing one, and you know what? It did a good job.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue.
Moving on, it's time to go ahead and do the laundry now. So of course I'm just folding all of this and getting it ready to go and put away. I'm just setting aside anything that needs to be hung up and then going ahead and folding everything. I do try and use the KonMari method of folding, just if you guys were curious. And then here is me just putting everything where it belongs, and of course putting hangers on everything that needs to go up in the closet.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
You'll see here that our drawers are clearly not perfect, but we do try and use the filing system as far as like shirts and bottoms go in these drawers now. I just found that in like the underwear drawers and other things, it just wasn't really realistic. So I just kind of place things where I think it'll be best suited for us. And we did have a couple of coats laying around in the bedroom, so I just went and put those in our coat closet by the door. By the way, I just redid this entire closet. I will have the video linked up in the top right hand corner for you guys to go and check out if you're interested. And lastly, I am just making our bed in our living room because everything else was pretty much already clean in there.
I'm not that complicated.
Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed seeing my extreme clean with me. I know it was a lot. This is not what I do day to day, so don't worry. This is literally like me trying to get the deepest clean possible in my apartment right now because it is such a wreck. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. P.S. I have an entire playlist full of more cleaning videos just like this one. So if you guys want to go and check it out, I'll have it linked up here at the screen at the end of the video and down below in the description box. And without further ado guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.